Thanks for joining this how-to screencast brought to you by Salesforce Support. In this video, you'll learn how to create a placeholder app with review credentials in the App Store Connect account for Mobile Publisher. Let's start by logging into your App Store developer account. Navigate to the app in the App Store Connect and click Apps. Remember when we created the bundle ID on the last video? Now click on the plus icon, then select New App. Choose iOS. Now, we need a unique name. Keep in mind that the name you use for the placeholder should be the same as the one you will use in the Mobile Publisher UI that you're preparing to submit. If there is a mismatch, Mobile Publisher will reach out to you in order to correct this. Ensure that your app has a unique name to avoid rejections. Your app's name should be globally unique if you want it to be available in all countries. Or if you want the app to be only available in one country, make sure it's unique within your specific country's app store. For language, set the primary language to the same language you entered in the Mobile Publisher submission. Now select the bundle ID that you created in the previous step. Fill in the SKU value using the format Salesforce-month-day-year. Then grant user full access. Click Create, and that's it. Now, let's set up the app privacy. Navigate to the placeholder app you just created. In the sidebar, select App Privacy. Click Get Started, and specify if you or your third-party partners collect data from the app. Depending on whether you're setting up an Experience Cloud app or Salesforce app, you can find baseline disclosures on our help page. For Experience Cloud app, refer to the section titled App Privacy, Communities app to learn about the baseline disclosures for your Experience Cloud Mobile Publisher iOS app. For Salesforce app, refer to the section titled App Privacy, Salesforce app to learn about the baseline disclosures regarding your Salesforce Mobile Publisher iOS app. Finally, click Publish on the top right corner of the privacy page, and you're done. Apple checks for access in two places when reviewing your app. First, during the initial beta app submission under the Test Flight tab in App Store Connect, and later under the Distribution tab. To start, go to the Test Flight tab, pick Test Information, and type in your test or demo user details in the Sign In Required part. Make sure to turn off the two-step verification for this user and adjust the IP range to let the reviewer in. Here are a few pro tips to keep in mind. Each time you update the Mobile Publisher for Experience Cloud app, Apple tries to log in as part of the approval procedure. To prevent delays in delivering the app, always keep the user details correct. If you plan on submitting your Publisher app with Sandbox credentials, be mindful that sandboxes, when refreshed, can change the credentials. So make sure to keep the Sandbox credentials up to date. Click Save when you're finished. And that's how you create a placeholder app in your App Store Connect account for Mobile Publisher. For more information, visit help.salesforce.com or join us on the trail at trailhead.salesforce.com. Thanks for watching.